Prtg is up a massive 96.82% in the pre-market session of today, the 28th of March 2025. Yesterday, during the post-market session, the company indicated that it has seen encouraging efficacy data in a murine mesothelioma model with Portage 7 given as a single agent or in combination with an anti-PD-1 antibody. The data, according to them, showed both single agent activity and more than 90% inhibition of tumor growth when combined with an anti-PD-1 antibody in a murine model of mesothelioma. Yeah, that's the reason behind this huge spike we are looking at right now. So this is its 1 minute chart. It has, as a matter of fact, it has actually pulled back from the highs of around 10.13. We have upper projections, as you can see, all the way towards, let's see now, 11.15. And we indeed also we calculated 11.01 on its on the data from its 4-hour chart. So this is 11 points, not exactly 11. We got 11.01. We have projections that probably is going towards 11.23. Below that, we have 10.69. And below that, just shy of where it is, 10.04. The strength is returning, but obviously this is a 1 minute chart. And on the 15-minute chart, we have 10.85. 10.85 is also at a slight discount to our own projection of 11.01. I'll let you know what those projections are in as we progress in this video. Downward projection below where it is it's currently trading at right now is with 9.54 and 8.87, 8.45. These are the sort of downward projections or supports that they might return to. Okay, let's have a look at the 45-minute chart. Okay, we have upper projection of 10.74, downward projection of all the way down to 5.41 on this 45-minute chart. Let's have a look at the 2-hour chart. Okay, there are no upper projections, but you might be able to compute something here. Take this rejection as at 10.11 and this support at 9.17. You have a difference of 0.94. You multiply that by 1.618. 1.618 is a Fibonacci extension. Add that to the current price of 9.51. You have 11.03. This is just a validation of our own projection of 11.01. 11.01. So I'm still going to come back to the projections we obtained later on. Okay, this is the 4-hour chart. Okay. We have a downward projection here all the way down to 0.604. And this is not in play at the moment. Momentum is expected to remain strong up till Tuesday, the 25th of, Tuesday, the 1st of April. Down now on the daily chart. Before the news came out, and before that time, the extrapolation of its 10-day and 21-day moving averages is that strength will remain in place up till Monday the 21st of April, and then start to moderate, so start to consolidate up till Wednesday the 23rd. No downward projection is identified here because if we extrapolate further, we might get that. We have 20 This extrapolation is for the next 20 trading sessions from yesterday, the 27th of March. So further extrapolations might give you something else, but the further you extrapolate, the more the error you will obtain. So strength is also expected to, or the momentum is also expected to remain in place up till Wednesday, the 9th of April. So it's holding the gains of around 102.97%. So let me show you how we obtained some of those, where we obtained some of those projections we have. Okay, it's somewhere around here. This rejection at 8.49, and this low, no, I think here, one of those, I think where I know what we obtained was 0.68 was the difference in price we obtained. We multiplied that by 1.618, use the three Fibonacci extensions of 1.618, 2.618, and 3.618. So we now obtained what seems to have been, I mean, we obtained 11.01 as an upper projection, which seems to have been validated, 11.01, and 11.75, and then 12.37. 11.01 seems to have been validated twice, but it doesn't mean that is actually validated. On the daily chart, 11.01 will be, let's see, will be something, will be price that is hasn't really printed since the summer of last year. So in a short term, that will the probability of that printing is a big is not very handy, not very handy, not very remote. It's quite a remote one. Quite you can even see here on the daily chart. So the probability of 11.01 printing is in the very short term, short and medium term is quite remote, quite remote. It's if you try to calculate that, I'm not sure you're going to get up to 1%. But regardless, it's something that is quite possible. But we have seen those sort of projections, I believe. I don't think we saw that in any case. I don't think we saw anything like that. Yeah, okay. This is the projection we saw that came close to the one we have. 10.83, so just a few cents shy from 11.01. So going by this, you can say that the probability of it printing 11.01 begins to come up slightly. Begins to, at least, based on this 15-minute chart, it wouldn't be like 1%. It will be something better than 1%. But even in 1%, there is still a lot of certainty within a 1% probability. So naturally, given the fact that it has printed this, it has given printed this huge amount of gain, you know, 1102.97%, you should expect that it should start putting back. So, well, you can even see. I think we spoke too soon. Going by what we have now, it has actually printed 11.01 already. You can see this intraday high of 11.39. So, going by this 4-hour chart, then you could say yes. The probability of it printing 11.01 again is handsome. It's by far better than, most certainly, by far better than 1%. It has already printed it. The probability of it doing so again It's most certainly there. You know. Coming back again to the 4 hour chart, it's this is not that intraday high we have here is not printed on trading view. This is trading view. This is think and swim. So think and swim has 11.39. It got a rejection there. So it's just a temporary rejection. Maybe that's why trading view didn't capture it. But we have it already. We have it already. So the probability of it doing that is not as bad, not as poor as I mentioned. I mentioned 1%. So projections 11.01, 11.75, 12.37. There's no guarantee that any of those will happen. Just so see what you make of our PRTG, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.